Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today's video I'm going to break down Poison's Every Rose Has Its Thorn guitar solo. Alright, let's get started. Start off with a slow bend on the 9th fret and the G string. Then he slides from the 10th to the 12th fret on the B string. And then 13, 12, 13, 12, 13 on the B string. Then a pre-bend from the 15th. Then you go to the B string, 13th fret, pull off to the 12th, to the 14th on the G. So those two. And then again, 14, 12. Slide to the 11 on the G. Hammer on to the 12. Pull off. 12th on the D. Slide up to the 14. If you're getting value out of this lesson, make sure to like and subscribe. Then 16, 17, 14 on the D string. Want to see any more of my tutorial? I'll leave it up here for you. Then he slides up to the 16th on the G, to the 17th on the B and E, back to the 17th on the B, to the 15th on the G, then 19, 15, 19, 17 on the high E, then 17 on the B string to the 15th on the high E. Then he does that again. 19, 15, 17, 15, 17 on the B to 15 on the E. So you bend on the 14th with your finger staying on the B string as well. So bend up on the 15th fret, whole step bend and release. And then go to the 12th fret and then hammer on to the 14th. And then to the 12th on the G. And then from there, then pull off the 14th to the 12th fret on the G string to the 14th fret on the D. So those two together sound like this. And then go to the 13th fret and pull off onto the 12th on the B string to the 14th fret on the G. So all together those three sound like this. And then bend, whole step. And then go to the 15th fret on the high E, whole step bend, then release. And then to the 12th fret and a half step bend on the B string. And I'll see you in the next one.